immigration law being weaponized to silence pro-Palestinian voices?
Absolutely, that's exactly what's happening. So what the government is doing is it's using this very obscure provision from the Cold War era, I believe 1952, that permits the Secretary of State to deem someone a threat to our foreign policy and to deport them basically unilaterally without sort of judicial oversight. What the provision is so rarely used that there's only been one judicial decision on it, on the constitutionality of it. And the judge in that case, who happened to be President Trump's sister, she's a federal judge in New Jersey, just by coincidence, she said that the statute was unconstitutionally vague, meaning that it wasn't putting people on notice of what it prohibits, and also it appears to encapsulate speech, and that makes it unlawful. So to the extent the statute might allow for people to be deported for their speech, it's not constitutional. And that's what the lawyers in these cases today are making. All of these different students who've been put in ICE detention, those lawyers are basically saying, if the statute is constitutional, the only way for the statute to be constitutional is to read it to require something more than speech. So sure, if you were, if there was substantial evidence that you were giving money to Hamas or taking directions from Hamas or something like that, then there could be a basis for deporting you. But just advocating for pro-Palestinian rights, or frankly, even just advocating for Hamas's actions, is protected speech and doesn't allow you to be deported.
Colombia